Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix Explorer, the File Explorer search not finding files in Windows 11. So do not worry about it. We are going to do some very easy yet very effective steps to fix the problem. So the method one is to restart the Windows search. And to do that, we need to open the Task Manager. So we will do a right click in the start icon and then we will open the Task Manager. Once it is opened, we will go to Services tab and then we will select any of the service and we will press W. And here we are looking for W search. So I will just try to find it, W search. You're going to find it very soon. Here we go. So here we have W search. So we need to do the right click on that and we can simply click on start. If it's not started, you can click on start, and if it is already started and asking you to stop, then click on restart. Alright, once this is done, we will close this window. And now the step 2 is to rebuild the search index. So we will open the settings. We will click on start and we will go to settings. And then we will go to privacy and security. And here we will go to search. Like advanced indexing options. Here in the search, privacy and security, we will find advanced indexing options. Once you click on that, we will click on advanced again. And we will click on rebuild. We will click on OK. And this will take few seconds, I guess. Indexing is not running and you just need to close it. Now, here, once you're done, we need to restart the File Explorer. To do that, we will open the Task Manager by doing a right click and click on Task Manager. And once the Task Manager is opened, we will go to File Explorer. So we will go to the Processes tab, and if the File Explorer is opened, search for it. If you're unable to find it, try to open the File Explorer and then go to the Task Manager and you will find the Task Manager, the Windows Explorer. Just do a right click and click on Restart. Right, once this is done, we will go to Troubleshoot. So we will run the troubleshooter now and we will go to settings. We will go to system. We will scroll down and we will find troubleshoot. And then we will click on other troubleshooters. And here we will run for search index. Run search indexing. If you find it, run it. Else we will close this window. Now, one of the most important part is to repair the computer and then we need to restart. So the final step is very important. Please make sure you do not skip this step. So type CMD, then run as administrator. It will ask you to say yes. And here we will type SFC /scan now. This will scan the whole computer, and if there is something, if there is any files missing or any corrupted files are there, it will repair it. So SFC /scan now, and we will hit enter. This might take 2 to 5 minutes, maybe less than that. And once this is done, it says another servicing or repair is in the operation currently running. Not a problem. Wait for it, restart the computer, and then do this SFC scan and make sure you do the restart after this. And then try to search the File Explorer. And I hope this will fix your problem. Do let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And also let me know in the comment section which step has fixed your issue. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.